Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's quickly see how legendary Kasparov was in the endgames. So in this position, Kasparov plays Portish. He's 2 pawns up, obviously winning, but he needs to convert this advantage. So most of you would play something like e4 and create more power for black to attack your pawns. Or you would play something like king to f3 and fall into this g5. Yeah, let's say, which is also winning, but with more problems, more exchanges, etc. So Kasparov found an excellent move here because he knows the rule that before you start any active plan, you need to improve your pieces. And if you look at White's position, White's pieces are not just that active yet. So he plays rook to d3. Now, he just not in a hurry, he wants to improve his pieces, move his bishop, and then start the second phase. So black starts maneuvering, goes back, rook to d7 check, defends the pawn, and goes king to f3. Now he defends the pawn with the king. Black continues, bishop to c3, and now White wants not to again start pushing the pawns, but he wants to bind Black so that they keep defending, not that give them counterplay with this easy e4. Yeah, so he plays bishop to d3. Now he wants to attack just this weakness of Black on g6 and then make Black suffer. Yeah, so they have to defend it because g5 doesn't work because of this rook h7 mate. So Portish plays rook f6 and king g4. Again, extra strong defense by not defense but technique by Kasparov. Yeah, Black just cannot move. They have to defend this pawn and they have to defend from mates, and nothing really happened. Yeah, he has all these plans with him. And Black's position is lost. And Portish played bishop to d2, and Kasparov found the final resource, which is f5. Yeah. If he takes, then bishop takes, and there is a mate threat, so you have to give up an exchange and lose immediately. If you play g5, then it's e4, for instance. Yeah, and these two connected pass pawns are just unstoppable. So Black resigned. So before you do anything in the endgame, yeah, you have to improve your pieces. Then not just start to convert your advantage, but find another weakness in Black's position and start to attack it, and later in the game, and then only start the active plan. All right, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.